Hey you guys, this is Chin and Just Sewing Space. Today's video is about this my makeshift extension table, which I had to make because the people I bought from didn't have the extension table. So I just came on to say that in the video you don't see this part, but I came back and used the clear sellotape to tape all over the top, right? Because this masking tape was lifting up from the paper, right? So I'm just showing you guys and we'll get onto the video, and don't forget, keep on sewing and subscribing. Peace.